Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome na welcome kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. November 1st po, ito Gemini. Tignan natin ang mga mensahe for you. We have channel. You are a channel through which healing energy reaches the world. Ayan. So, Gemini, parang sinasabi dito na you are a healer, no? You are a healer kasi ginagamit kayo ng Divine Universe dito as a channel, no? Ng healing powers niya. Kaya parang pinapasa sa inyo ngayon yung, you have a mission here, no? You have a mission. Maybe this is your purpose now to heal the world, to help heal the world, to help heal other people dito through your healing powers, no? So, you are a channel dito, Gemini. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo, alam nyo na yan. Ramdam nyo yan, no? Kung meron kayong gift of healing, ramdam ninyo yan. Malalaman ninyo yan. Lalo-lalo na ngayon, siguro, may mga signs kayo dito or maybe may mga intuitive nudges kayo na nare-receive na kailangan na ninyo mag-act on your healing power. Gamitin nyo na yan, you know, to help other people, yung mga ganon. So, this is maybe your mission in life sa ngayon, Gemini. Celebration, celebrate your achievements. You truly are a gift to the universe. Ayan, so may mga achievement kayo, napakaganda, congratulations. You are entitled to celebrate that. Pinaghirapan ninyo yan, pinagsikapan ninyo yan. You did everything there para makamit nyo yan. Kaya, celebrate ninyo yan. And just don't forget, no, Gemini, na when you celebrate something, that is a blessing for you. Huwag kakalimutan na magpasalamat. No? Huwag kalimutan. Kahit ano man ang nare-receive natin blessing sa buhay, huwag nakakalimot na magpasalamat sa Panginoon. Okay? We have temperance. Ayan. This is healing as well, Gemini. This is a screaming healing sa reading ninyo. So, Gemini, maaari din na you are going to receive healing, no? Maaring ang iba sa inyo may sakit, nagpapagaling na siguro ang iba. Maybe you have received healing energies already or you are about to receive healing energies. Or maybe talaga na ang karamihan sa inyo dito, Gemini, you have that healing power, no? You have that healing power and you're being, dito, reminded or maybe this reading is a nudge for you na it's about time na for you to use your healing power para makatulong na kayo sa ibang tao, no? So, maaaring ganun talaga ang ganap dito. It's very important, Gemini, at this point to listen to your intuition, because it feels like to me that there is divine guidance, there is angelic assistance din dito para matulungan ka, no, na lumakas ang inyong kalooban, na i-push nyo na ang sarili ninyo ngayon to use or embody that healing powers ng sa gayon. Makapagsimula na kayo ng mission ninyo to help heal the world, no? Maybe then, ang iba sa inyo dito, you're being, parang ini-inform kayo, no? Na kailangan ninyong i-balansehin din ang sarili ninyo. You may need balance din dito sa buhay ninyo. Maybe you're just so focused on one or two things in your life, and there are other things or other parts of your life na baka naniniglect ninyo, hindi ninyo na naasikaso, hindi ninyo nakikita, yung gano'n, no? So, this is like a nudge then for you to look at other areas of life. No, kailangan ninyong balansehin ang sarili ninyo, okay? So, what else? We have the devil energy. Ayan. So, you know what? Maari, Gemini, na ang iba sa inyo natatakot, no? Maaring you know already that you are a healer in some way, no? And maaring you have that fear, no, to embrace that healing powers. Maaring iba sa inyo nagdadalawang isip, nagsa-self-doubt kayo, may takot, no? May doubts kayo about yourself, no? Kung kakayanin nyo nga ba ang mission na to. So, maaaring may mga ganong ganap ang iba sa inyo dito, Gemini. But don't worry, no? When you are called, no? When you are called to step into your purpose, no? Huwag kayong matatakot. Kasi, susuportahan kayo, no? Kung ano ang kailangan ninyo, lakas ng loob, courage, inner strength, physical strength, whatever you need, that will be supported. That will be given to you, I mean, no? Gemini, kaya you have nothing to fear, okay? Just keep your hope and faith alive, dahil kung pinipili kayo na manggamot, kung pinipili kayo to touch other people's lives in your own little way, you know, kung ano yung kailangan ninyo para matupad ninyo yan, kung anong kailangan ninyo para magawa ninyo, kung anong inyong mission, that will come towards you. That will be sent to you. You will be supported by the divine. Okay? We have Knight of Wands. Ayan. So, speaking of intuition, talaga namang kailangan ninyo talaga na pakinggan kung ano ang kung anong bulong sa inyo ng iyong intuition. Okay? So that you will be guided. Alright? So, whatever it is, no, na nararamdaman ninyo, napipick up ninyo, nasisense ninyo, trust that. Trust what you are getting, no? Trust what you are getting, and make sure that you follow. Allow your intuition to be your guide, Gemini, dahil makakasiguro kayo na when you do that, lagi at lagi kayong nasa tamang path. May mga pagdududa man kayo, but you will be directed to the right path, no? So, Gemini, good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. And kung bago kayo dito, welcome na welcome kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. And God bless you all. Libra, November 1, celebration. Ayan. Meron kayong celebrate dito. Achievement, accomplishments. No? May mga blessings kayo na parating or maaring natanggap nyo na, kaya you are going to celebrate that. What else? Wisdom. Ayan. See your adversaries as opportunities to expand your spiritual light. Ayan. So, there are going to be lessons dito sa buhay na talaga namang you are going to put that into practice. No? May mga wisdom kayo dito. May mga adversaries kayo, challenging situations na pinagdaanan recently siguro, and kung ano man ang mga lessons learned ninyo out of that experience, maaaring magamit nyo agad yan, no? Magamit nyo agad yan towards your situation sa ngayon, Libra. So that's really beautiful. So what else? Libra, we have the moon energy. Now is not the time for you to make a decision, no? Kung nahaharap kayo sa isang importanteng decision making sa ngayon, sinasabi ng moon energy that now is not the perfect time to make a decision yet. Wait a little more time. Kasi meron pa kayong kailangang malaman, meron pang mga bagay na kailangan ninyong madiskubre, may mga facts pa, no, na kailangan ninyong malaman dito, no, before you make a decision, dahil kulang pa, no? Sinasabi dito na kulang pa kung ano man ang alam ninyo ngayon na detalye, that is not enough yet para gawa kayo ng isang fair, sound, and good decision, no? So, always listen to your intuition as well, what your intuition is telling you. Pakinggan ninyo yan, and as much as possible, sundin ninyo yan. Because that is a direct message from the divine. That is divine guidance sa inyo, no? And isa pa, may mga dreams siguro kayo lately, no? Kung may ano man ang mga panaginip ninyo lately, make sure that you write them down on paper. Kung ano man ang naalala pa ninyo na parte ng mga panaginip ninyo, write them down, okay? Because that is a guidance for you. Make sure that you decode the meaning of the elements that you saw in your panaginip. I-google ninyo yan. Dami-dami ng articles online na nag-explain ng mga panaginip natin. So, i-decode ninyo kung ano yung mga elements ng panaginip na natatandaan nyo papagising ninyo, because that could be your reference, no? Sa pag-navigate ninyo ng buhay ninyo, with or without challenging situations dito, that could be your guide, no? So, yung ganon. So, what else? We have 10 of Wands. Ayan. Time na ngayon ni Libra para mag-move on na, no? From whatever it is that is, yung parang nagpapahirap na sa inyo, nagpapabigat ng inyong dalahin sa dibdib. at sa balikat ninyo, yung mga ganon, Libra, no? So, this could be emotional burden, no? This could be trabaho, obligasyon sa pamilya, maaring ganon. Maari din naman na this is maybe ang sa inyo, working long hours, no? At to the extent na overtime kayo ng overtime, but maybe hindi nga kayo bayad dyan, eh. Maaring ganon ang ganap, Libra. Kaya, parang pagod na kayo, no? Exhausted na kayo, nagsawa na kayo, napagod na kayo. Your situation is taking a toll on you na ngayon. Kaya naman, maaring magka-idea na kayo ngayon, no? Na lalakasan nyo na ang loob ninyo ngayon. So, para mag-give up na kayo, no? Maglakas loob na kayo dito na magsalita or humingi ng tulong, no? Assistance from other people so that you can have the life that you deserve naman, diba? Because parang sobra-sobra na yun. Parang working long hours is not healthy at all na for you, Libra. Kaya maaring stress na kayo, maaring exhausted na kayo talaga. So, dito magde-decision kayo na you are going to choose yourself dito. No? You're going to choose yourself, you're going to choose your health. Kasi maaaring nakakaramdam na din kayo ng pananakit ng katawan, stress talaga, yung mga gano'n, no? Tense represents endings and beginnings. Kaya definitely, you know, kung ano yung burden ninyo ngayon, ibababa nyo na yan. Hihingi na kayo ng tulong or maaaring magkikwit na kayo, iiwanan nyo ang sitwasyon na yan kung hindi man maghihingi kayo ng tulong, no? So, what else for Libra? We have the Mother Star. So, this is really beautiful energy, you know? So, sinasabi dito ni Mother Star Libra sa inyo na maybe, you know, kung saan man kayo patungo ngayon, where you are heading right now is masasabi ninyo na lahat ng mga paghihirap, lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan ninyo in the past have prepared you, no? To be in this journey sa ngayon, no? Kaya, yung mga pinagdaanan ninyo in the past, maaring marami kayong naging problema, maaring marami kayong paghihirap na pinagdaanan. Pero ngayon, you are on the way to experience good things naman. Experience good experiences naman. Happy experiences naman. And you may have the opportunity ngayon to embody your full potential. Kasi maaring ang pinagdaanan ninyo in the past, maring restricted kayo ng situation, restricted kayo ng ibang tao, yung parang kontrolado siguro ang mga bawat galaw ninyo in the past. Pero ngayon, you know, nalampasan nyo yan, na-surpass ninyo ang difficult situation na yan. And ngayon, patungo na kayo doon sa lugar na mas maganda na ang inyong sitwasyon, no? Ma-realize ninyo na ngayon na lahat ng pinagdaanan ninyong paghihirap, nung mga nakaraan, it has prepared you to be in this journey. Mas matatag na kayo, resilient na kayo, mas matibay na kayo, mas matalino na kayo ngayon, mas malakas ng inyong loob, yung ganon. Parang, it has helped you, no? Yung mga challenges ninyo in the past, you know, it has helped you to be the best version of yourself sa ngayon, Libra. Kaya, na kayo ngayon, mas matalino, mas magaling, mas madiskarte. You are on a good position na ngayon, sa buhay ninyo. So, this is really beautiful. And also, Libra, for some of you, kung before you came to this reading, before you listen to this reading, maaaring meron kayong mga katanungan sa sarili ninyo or maaaring may tinatanong kayo sa divine universe, no? And the answer is yes, no? Because si Mother Star is a yes card, no? Kaya kung meron kayong mga tanungan, meron kayong mga hinihinging signs from the divine, no? Or confirmation, ang sagot niyan sa inyo is yes. It is a yes. So, Libra, that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana pinasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome na welcome kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it and God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga messages ninyo November 1st. For Aquarius, dreams. Wow, universe speaks to you through your dreams. Aquarius, may mga panaginip kayo lately siguro, and that is a very important guidance to you ng divine universe, no? So make sure that you write them down. Kung ano yung panaginip ninyo, pagkagising ninyo, naaalala nyo pa what it is, make sure that you write them down, no? And decode that. Ang dami ng resources online, no? Na nag-explain ng mga ibig sabihin ng mga panaginip natin. Kaya make sure that sulat nyo yan, i-decode ninyo, i-research ninyo, i-google ninyo, no? Because that is a divine guidance for you, Aquarius. We have Earth Guide, and you are an Earth Guide. Maaring, ang iba sa inyo dito, Aquarius, in the past, siguro yung mga nagsasabi na sa'yo, you are my Earth Guide. Or maybe you are my Earth Angel. Yung mga ganon, diba, Aquarius? Siguro may mga naririnig na kayo or nakarinig na kayo ng mga ganyang comment sa inyo ng mga taong tinulungan ninyo in the past, because you are. That is your purpose, no? To be an Earth Angel. To help other people, to serve other people, yung mga ganun, to touch other people's lives in your own little way. You have 3 of Pentacles, ayan, napakaganda rin ito. This is the beginning of your success, Aquarius. Maaari din na in the past, no, maybe you're working solo, mag-isa lang kayo sa trabaho ninyo, sa proyekto ninyo, you know, and nagpo-progress naman, meron naman magandang resulta, but, you know, maaring ngayon, you will be in a position wherein you will be able to work in a team, no? Maaring meron ka dito makakatulong na, makakapartner na, makakakollab na, and your ladder of success, nandyan na siguro sa harap ninyo. Mas mapapabilis ngayon ang iyong pagtatagumpay, mas mapapabilis ang pagtatapos ng kung ano man ang task na meron kayo, because kung sino man ang makakatulong ninyo dito, you know, it feels like to me na you are really going to get the help that you need, no? You are really going to get the support that you really need right now, no? Maaaring gano'n ang sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo dito. Ilalabas nyo dito yung iyong talents, mas mailalabas ninyo dito kung ano man ang iyong mga galing talaga, no? Yung skills ninyo. So, maaaring gano'n ang sitwasyon dito, Aquarius. Kung ano man ang task ninyo na gagawin ngayon, it feels like to me that is going to highlight yung ano ninyo, yung galing ninyo, yung talento, yung skills ninyo, no? We have the Creator. Ayan. So, some of you, maybe, Aquarius, siguro ang iba sa inyo nagdadasal for confirmation, maaaring nagdadasal ng bigyan kayo ng gabay, maybe may mga tinatanong kayo sa sarili ninyo or sa Divine Universe kung ano ang kailangan ninyong gawin, or kung tama nga ba ang, you know, depende sa inyong sitwasyon kung ano man ang tinatanong ninyo, no, na naghihingi kayo ng confirmation, no? The answer dito is no, no? Maybe dahil hindi yan ang para sa'yo, maybe that is not meant for you, maybe kung ano man yan tinatanong ninyo, that is not for your highest good, or maybe off timing, no? It could be that as well. Hindi naman necessarily na yung bagay na yan ay hindi talaga para sa'yo, but maybe hindi lang para sa'yo at this time, no? May mga ganong ganap. So it is extremely important for you, Aquarius, to always listen to your intuition, because there will always be divine guidance na binibigay sa ating lahat, lalo na din sa'yo sa ngayon. May mga panaginip nga kayo, diba? So it feels like to me na siguro may mga intuitive messages, intuitive nudges na pinapadala sa inyo ng Divine Universe, but maybe you're not paying attention to it. Parang hindi ninyo binibigyan ng oras, hindi ninyo binibigyan ng pagkakataon ng sarili ninyo para makakinig, no, sa mga divine guidance sa inyo through your intuition. Kaya pinapadalhan kayo ng gabay dito ng Divine Universe or ng the rest of your spirit team through your dreams, no? Kaya pay attention to that, because it feels like to me that these two cards are connected, no? Yung no na to, yung denial na to sa kung ano man yung tinatanong ninyo, it's because it feels like it's not for your best interest, no, sa ngayon. So, what else for Aquarius? We have King of Wands. Ayan. So, King of Wands, ang iba sa inyo dito, you will be entrepreneurs, no, na ngayon. So, maaring meron kayong ang napipick up ko dito, because we have 3 of Pentacles, maybe this is going to be a family business. Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito is having or planning to put up a family business. Maaring ganun ang sitwasyon, ano? Maari din ang iba sa inyo dito is not going to pursue your career as an employee, no? At maaring gusto na ninyo ngayon mag-shift ng career path and you are choosing to do family business. Or maaring gusto nyo na mag home-based business kayo or online business. So, maaring ganun ang ganap. So, Aquarius, that's all I have for you for today. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.